Hi friends, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a quick craft I did with the kids with Easter eggs. We made Easter egg flowers, so say hello to all the little hands. We got everything we needed for this activity at the Dollar Tree, so we used these shiny sparkly pipe cleaners and this bag of Easter eggs that is already open because the kids found them and have been requesting Easter eggs constantly. So what we did was take the pipe cleaners and go ahead and thread them up through the hole in the bottom of the Easter egg and then thread it back down through the hole, just like if you were like sewing. So just up and then down. And then I took my 2 pieces of pipe cleaner and we just twisted them. If you wanted to make these a little bit more sturdy, you could add a skewer or even like a pencil and twist the twisty ties around that so it would hold up even stiffer, but ours were just fine. You see Carter here doing his Easter egg, and he is 5 years old and he had no problem lacing that through the top and through the bottom of his Easter egg. Ayla is on the bottom right and she is 4. She just turned 4 and she needed a little bit more help. But overall, everyone had a good time doing this activity. Once we got the pipe cleaners all twisted, we just took our egg, opened it up, and drew a circle onto some colored construction paper. And we got this construction paper at the Dollar Tree as well. You just want to make sure that your hole is in a spot that's big enough that you can draw a flower all the way around it. So don't trace your circle like in the corner of your paper because you want space to make that whole flower around it. So the hole is going to be the center of your flower. You could do this with more than just construction paper too. You could do it with sheets of craft foam, or I think even felt would be really cool. So use your imagination. After we drew our flowers, we went ahead and took our scissors and cut all of them out. And to cut out the center, you want to fold the circle in half and cut just under your pencil line. So you want it slightly smaller than the circle that you traced onto the center of your flower. And then you just are going to take your flower and thread it through and place your petals on the center of your egg. And ours stayed fairly well. You can kind of add a line of like hot glue or put some tape on there too if you feel like you need something to keep them there. I had one of these pots left over and some floral foam. These are both from Dollar Tree as well, and I thought I would use it to go ahead and stick our flowers in and see how cute that was. So I stuck the floral foam in, and then I took some of this floral moss that is also from Dollar Tree and just smushed that all right on top. I used this moss in another Easter DIY, so I will link that for you guys too if you want to check that out. Then I just bent up the pipe cleaners so they were a little bit more sturdy and stuck them in and around the floral moss. What I found worked best for us was just sitting them kind of on the outsides of the pot versus directly into the floral foam. I think if we used those skewers or even a pencil, it would have jabbed in there a lot better. So if you were planning on like potting them up, definitely add the skewer, but if you're just kind of like hanging around playing with them and doing a craft, the skewer is not really necessary. But here it is all done. These tiny little carrots are at Dollar Tree too, and this squirrel I got at Dollar Tree during the fall. It was part of a salt and pepper shaker. I just thought it all looked really cute together. And here they are after I kind of rearranged them a little bit. I think they look so cute. The kids sat there and loved to play with them. And guess who else liked to play with them? A chicken. Hey, they're not real flowers. A chicken has interrupted my filming. Hello, Hey. What? Another rooster's coming. Oh no. They must look so realistic. Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, you can find more from us here. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you like to do Easter crafts for yourself or with your kids. And leave some love for Hey. Say hi, Hey. Bye, guys.